The future isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy. It's unfolding right now, all around us. Today we're diving into 10 breakthrough technologies that are set to transform how we live, move, and connect. We're talking flying cars, bird-like drones, and AI that's changing the way we experience sports. These aren't just upgrades, they're game changers. I've handpicked the most exciting innovations, from wild concepts to real products you might see sooner than you think. We'll break down what makes each one special and why it matters. Let's jump in. First up, we're taking a look at the Fly Bionic Bird. Get ready to witness something truly unique in the world of drone technology. This isn't just a drone, it's a marvel of engineering. A drone that doesn't just fly, it soars like a real bird, mimicking the elegance and fluidity of natural avian flight. The secret? Instead of relying on the typical spinning propellers that define most drones, it uses flapping wings, a bio-inspired design that generates both lift and propulsion, setting it apart from the competition. This innovative approach makes it incredibly quiet and agile, allowing for a stealthier and more maneuverable flight experience. The result is a flying experience that's not only efficient but also incredibly lifelike, blurring the lines between technology and nature. This biomimicry, this imitation of life, lets it navigate tight spaces with remarkable precision and handle wind with surprising ease, maintaining stability even in challenging conditions. This is a feat that most drones struggle with, highlighting the Bionic Bird's superior design. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and flexible foam, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and agility. This robust construction means it's tough enough for real-world use, ready to withstand the rigors of outdoor flight. Why does all of this matter? What makes the Bionic Bird so significant? Its unique design makes it perfect for wildlife monitoring, allowing researchers to observe animals without causing disturbance. It's also ideal for discreet surveillance, providing a less intrusive way to gather information. And it can even be used for crop inspection, offering farmers a new way to monitor the health of their fields. The Bionic Bird excels at blending into nature instead of disturbing it, minimizing its impact on the environment. You control it with a smartphone app, making it accessible and easy to use. The app is complete with a first-person camera view, giving you a bird's-eye perspective of the world. This feature makes the experience feel organic and immersive, as if you're truly soaring through the sky. The Bionic Bird isn't just a cool toy, it's a sophisticated piece of technology with real-world applications. It's a glimpse at a future where our tech harmonizes with the natural world, working in synergy rather than in opposition. It challenges what drones can be, pushing the boundaries of innovation and design. The Bionic Bird is opening up new possibilities for design and application, inspiring a new generation of drone technology. Sometimes the best engineering inspiration is already flying above us, waiting to be discovered and emulated. The Bionic Bird proves that, showcasing the power of biomimicry in modern technology. Next, let's dive beneath the waves and explore a different kind of innovation. Prepare to be amazed by the Peugeot underwater capsule. This isn't just a submersible, it's a statement of luxury, innovation, and a deep respect for the mysteries of the ocean. Imagine a personal submersible that feels less like a cramped research vessel and more like a high-end luxury lounge. It's a space where comfort meets cutting-edge technology, all designed to provide an unforgettable underwater experience. Designed specifically for deep-sea exploration, this capsule allows you to venture into the depths and witness the wonders of the ocean firsthand. The Peugeot underwater capsule features a panoramic acrylic bubble, offering an unparalleled 360-degree view of the breathtaking underwater world. It's like being in a giant transparent eye, allowing you to observe marine life in its natural habitat. Inside, the capsule is plush, intuitive, and designed for maximum comfort. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a relaxing and immersive environment. Navigating this underwater marvel is surprisingly simple, thanks to user-friendly joystick controls and a state-of-the-art heads-up display. The intuitive design ensures that anyone, regardless of their experience, can easily pilot it and explore the ocean depths. The all-electric propulsion system is not only efficient but also remarkably silent. This allows you to glide silently through the water, observing marine life without causing any disturbance to their natural environment. While it may not be geared towards hardcore scientific research, it's perfectly suited for underwater tourism and personal discovery. In essence, think of it as the yacht of the submarine world, a symbol of luxury and exclusivity beneath the waves. The primary focus is on providing unparalleled comfort, sophisticated style, and a non-intrusive, immersive experience for its passengers. As the popularity of deep-sea tourism continues to grow and evolve, innovative concepts like the Peugeot underwater capsule have the potential to make the ocean's last unexplored frontiers more accessible and inviting to a wider range of people than ever before. It represents a seamless fusion of automotive luxury, cutting-edge marine engineering, and innovative design principles. The Peugeot capsule beautifully illustrates how thoughtful design can make deep-sea exploration not only inviting and exciting but also environmentally sustainable for future generations. So, what's the next frontier in exploration? It's the ocean, waiting to be experienced in unparalleled style and comfort. Now, with our imaginations sparked by the ocean's depths, let's transition our focus to the boundless possibilities of the digital world. Apple's VisionOS 2.4 is redefining spatial computing. Imagine building entire virtual workspaces, multiple rooms, persistent setups, and lifelike colleagues appearing around your table. The environment becomes the interface, blending digital and physical worlds seamlessly. Enhanced sensors let you place 3D models on your real desk, with realistic lighting and shadows. Shared spaces allow real-time collaboration. Designers can sculpt together from opposite sides of the globe. Performance and battery life get a boost, making the device more comfortable and immersive. VisionOS 2.4 isn't just an update, it's a leap toward making mixed reality a mainstream platform. The line between real and virtual is blurring fast. Next, let's take to the skies. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where your daily commute involves soaring above the gridlock. The Alef flying car is poised to turn this dream of personal flight into reality, offering a glimpse into a future where the sky is no longer the limit. It drives just like a regular electric car, blending seamlessly into existing infrastructure, but with the added benefit of vertical takeoff and landing, meaning no runway is needed. This opens up possibilities for navigating urban landscapes with unparalleled ease. The car's body elegantly lifts off the ground, pivots sideways, revealing its unique flight configuration, and the cockpit maintains a perfectly level orientation, thanks to a clever and sophisticated gimbal system. Passengers can enjoy a smooth and comfortable transition from driving to flying. The design incorporates enclosed electric propellers, making it significantly safer and remarkably quieter than most eVTOLs currently in development. This reduced noise pollution is a crucial factor for urban integration. For your daily commutes, it functions as a standard car, offering the convenience and familiarity you're accustomed to. However, when you encounter heavy traffic or unexpected obstacles, you can simply fly over them, transforming a frustrating delay into a swift, aerial journey. It's not designed for long-distance travel, focusing instead on providing a perfect solution for short hops, efficiently bypassing city congestion and reclaiming valuable time. The innovative design directly tackles real-world challenges, including regulatory hurdles, advancements in battery tech, and the complexities of air traffic management, making it arguably the most practical and realistic flying car concept we've seen to date. Alef cleverly blends the familiar and intuitive experience of driving a car with the unparalleled freedom and maneuverability of a drone, creating a truly unique transportation solution. It's a true hybrid vehicle, seamlessly integrating road and air capabilities, and it just might be the key to finally unlocking the potential of personal aerial mobility and making it a widespread reality. The future of commuting could very well be vertical, transforming our cities and the way we navigate them. Now, shifting gears, let's take a look at the next generation of supercars, pushing the boundaries of performance and design. Buckle up, because these machines are about to redefine what it means to experience speed and luxury. The Alpine A4810 reimagines the supercar for a sustainable future. Instead of batteries, it uses a hydrogen combustion engine, delivering speed with zero carbon emissions. Designed by students, it's low and wide and aerodynamic, with dramatic lines inspired by racing prototypes. Hydrogen combustion offers the thrill and sound of traditional engines, but the only emission is water vapor. It's lighter than electric hypercars, promising agility and endurance without the battery bulk. The A4810 proves high performance and sustainability can coexist. It's a bold vision for the next era of driving. Supercars don't have to sacrifice soul for sustainability. The future of speed is clean, and it looks stunning. Now let's get tactical. The Quantum Systems Twister is a UAV that combines VTOL flexibility with fixed wing endurance. It takes off vertically, then transitions to fast, efficient horizontal flight. No runway needed. Packed with sensors, cameras, thermal imaging, LiDAR, it can fly autonomous missions for surveillance, inspection, or emergency response. Rugged and weather-resistant, it's built for tough environments where reliability is critical. The Twister reduces operator workload, letting users focus on data, not piloting. It's a professional-grade tool for industry, defense, and public safety. This hybrid design solves the core drone dilemma: flexibility versus range. The Twister is a workhorse for the modern world. Next, let's rethink trucking. The Slate Auto Truck is a fully autonomous, modular electric truck, no driver's cab, just pure cargo efficiency. Its low-profile chassis houses batteries, motors, and sensors, making it stable and aerodynamic. Modular cargo pods can be swapped in minutes, dry goods refrigerated or flatbed, maximizing uptime. Fleets of these trucks could run 24/7, reducing costs and accidents by eliminating human error. Platooning in convoys saves energy and speeds up deliveries. The Slate isn't just a truck, it's a vision for a smarter, greener logistics network. It's a fundamental redesign of how we move goods. The future of shipping is autonomous, efficient, and electric. Now let's look at the motor powering this revolution. Under the hood, big changes are coming. The Axial Flux motor is a game changer for electric vehicles and aviation. Unlike traditional motors, its pancake design delivers more power and torque in a smaller, lighter package. This means EVs can have motors in the wheels, freeing up space and reducing weight for better range and handling. For electric planes, the compact, power-dense design makes flight more viable. Companies like YASA are already bringing these motors to high-performance cars. As production scales, costs will drop, unlocking new possibilities across industries. It's a component-level innovation with massive ripple effects. The future of mobility is lighter, faster, and more efficient. Now let's see how tech is changing the game, literally. At Chelsea FC, technology is transforming football from the inside out. Players wear GPS vests tracking every move, speed, distance, even fatigue, feeding data to sports scientists for personalized training. AI-driven scouting analyzes global player data, finding hidden talent and optimizing recruitment. Fans get immersive experiences, augmented reality stats, virtual stadium tours, and interactive apps. It's about deeper connections and smarter decisions on and off the pitch. Chelsea's tech upgrade is a blueprint for the future of sports. The game remains human, but everything around it is getting smarter. Now let's bring the future home. Meet Zippy Robot, the personal assistant we've always dreamed of. With omnidirectional wheels and advanced sensors, Zippy navigates your home with ease. Its robotic arm lets it pick up objects, open doors, or even bring you a drink. Voice-controlled AI learns your habits, becoming more helpful over time. It integrates with smart home devices, handling lights, locks, and more. For busy professionals, it's a mobile telepresence unit. For the elderly, it's a tool for independence. Zippy isn't just a cleaner, it's a true multi-purpose assistant. As AI and robotics advance, robots like Zippy could become as common as smartphones. The way we live and work at home is about to change. Let's wrap up. That's 10 technologies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From flying cars to underwater capsules, AI-driven sports to personal robots, these innovations are reshaping our world. The future is being built right now, across every industry. What excites me most is how these fields are converging. AI, robotics, sustainable energy, all working together. Which tech amazed you most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more glimpses of the future. See you next time.